Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Anybody that's new to the channel, my name is Chris, and in this video we're going to talk about NIO Stock. NIO just had their 4th annual NIO Day, and there were so many huge announcements and speculations to what was actually going to be announced and transpired on NIO Day. So in this video I want to go over, is this stock still a must buy even after NIO Day? Remember, in year 2020, NIO has gained more than 1,000% in shareholder value. So if you're one of those lucky people that got into NIO way beforehand when NIO was trading around $3, congratulations on those profits and those gains. But now, heading into year 2021, is NIO still a must-buy stock? So in this video, that's exactly what we're going to go over. We want to talk about what exactly happened on NIO Day and what those announcements actually means for NIO moving forward. And is this stock overvalued now, or is it a good time to buy at this very second? So stick around, guys. I have a lot of great information for you all. Okay guys, so NIO, ticker symbol NIO, right now after hours is trading at $61.11. Okay, so as we all know, on Saturday this past weekend, they had their 4th annual NIO Day when there were so many huge announcements. So if we take a look at the chart on this past week, on this past Tuesday, it was trading at $52.33 with those lows at $49.51, okay? It ended Friday around $58.78. So you can see right now, then it boosted up to the highs of $64.41 on Monday trading at 10 a.m. Okay, so there were so many big things that happened on NIO Day that investors liked, right? Now, with this huge market gain and this huge gain, the market cap has gone up to $97.74 billion. All right, as we all know, if we take this past year on this chart, NIO was hovering around $3. Okay, so again, anybody that got into NIO around this area, congratulations on those gains. In year 2020, NIO skyrocketed 1,110%. Okay, so many investors did start to believe in NIO stock and started to buy into the hype on NIO. While there's so many potential things going on, and again, a lot of investors are looking for the future, and NIO is one of these stocks that many people think it could be the future of electric vehicles, okay? And in year 2021, it has been starting off red hot, okay? And one of the main things is that NIO actually beat how many vehicles they were going to deliver in December, delivering 7,007 vehicles in December, up 121% year over year. The total amount of cars that delivered in year 2020 was 43,728, up 112.6% year over year, okay? So NIO did have an incredible 2020, okay? But they did not beat their average mark of 50,000 vehicles. But as we all know, NIO is still a very growing company and it's still kind of young. So a lot of investors, they love this company because they like to see growth. They like to see the potential that they have, okay? Now, regards to NIO Day, NIO was going to make these two huge announcements, okay? Number one was going to be a new sedan that was going to start to compete with Tesla over there in China. And two, they were going to supposedly release a new battery pack, okay? Nobody really knew how much kilowatt power they were going to have, but that was all the speculation heading into NIO Day. There was a lot of room and a lot of hype into NIO Day that many people actually started to believe more and more into NIO. A lot of analysts moved up their price prediction for NIO and even moving up their targets, meaning they went from downgraded to neutral and from neutral to buy, okay? So a lot of investors are starting to become bullish on NIO stock, okay? Now, this was all speculation of what they actually thought was gonna happen and be released on NIO Day. But what actually did happen is that NIO Day 2020, EV maker shows off ET7 sedan. So the sedan came out, right? The new power swap station and the 150 kilowatt battery pack, ADAS, and more, okay? So there was a lot of new things that came out on NIO Day, okay? They first started off, releasing the new sedan, okay? Remember, supposedly Tesla in year 2022 or year 2023, they're gonna start to release their new sedan over there in Shanghai. That new sedan is gonna be priced around $25,000. So when it comes to NIO, their price target and the new prices of their sedan is gonna be a really big impact moving forward. NIO's first ever sedan named ET7 was launched with a tagline "Ready for Tomorrow" by the company's founder, chairman, and CEO William Li. Okay, so that was many big things that's happened. Right here is like a little definition of what exactly is gonna happen, and it's gonna have inside the vehicle. The interior is designed with a second living room concept. The car comes with NIO's in-vehicle artificial intelligence. Okay, so it's gonna be one of those self-driving cars. And this was another really big impact. Okay, NIO has partnered up with NVIDIA Corporation. Now this car is gonna have 4 NVIDIA Corporation Orin SoCs and boost 1016 tops in computing power. Okay, William Li claimed that Adam's computing power is 7 times as that of Tesla. Okay, and once this announcement was made, once they said that, oh, it's 7 times better than Tesla's, computing power, a lot of investors started to really get their mouth watered. Because why? Because many people thought that NIO stock is gonna skyrocket after this. If this is really true, and if this atom thing in the computing power is 7 times better than Tesla's, believe me or not, a lot of investors are gonna fall in love even more with NIO. Okay, now they're pricing. Now, when it comes to price, remember, this was the huge thing that could probably separate NIO from Tesla over there in China. Okay, the 60 kilowatt battery pack is priced at $69,185 before the subsides. Okay, under a battery as service scheme, the price is $58,375 and a 140 monthly subscription. Okay, so if you do have the subscription with NIO, the price of the vehicle is much less. Okay, and the ET7 edition with the 100 kilowatt battery pack is priced at $78,140, and with the subscriptions, $61,460 with a 230 monthly subscription. So it does kind of pay to have these subscriptions with the vehicle, because you're gonna pay way less. Okay, now this new battery pack, the 150 kilowatt solid state battery technology, is gonna increase energy density by 50%. It's going to enhance the range of the new ES8 vehicles to 850 kilometers, for the ES6 vehicles to 900 kilometers, and for the EC vehicles to 910 kilometers. Okay, so there's a lot of huge things that did happen on NIO Day with their sedans, and the new technology is going to be incorporated into these vehicles, and the new battery pack systems, along with their new subscription fees, and exactly what is going to be included with their subscriptions. Because if you're going to buy the new sedans, if you go to the subscriptions, obviously those people are going to pay a lot less for the vehicle than if you don't have the subscriptions, along with the battery pack swapping systems. Now here's where Tesla versus NIO gets really competitive. Okay, Tesla's going to be releasing a new sedan, along with NIO is going to be releasing a new sedan as well. Okay, the one major thing that probably concerns me when it comes to the NIO sedan is their price. Okay, Tesla's going to be releasing a $25,000 sedan over there in Shanghai, and NIO's price, is substantially a lot higher. Okay, so there's a lot of things that needs to happen with NIO. They have to drop the price target for the vehicles just a tad bit, to start really competing with Tesla. Okay, but as you saw here, if this computing thing is 7 times greater than Tesla, and if all these features in this car are that great, then NIO should not have too much of an issue competing with Tesla over there in Shanghai and in Tesla. Okay, so now one of the big thing is this. Okay, can NIO actually start to move up and trend even higher in year 2021, guys? And to be honest with you, I'm gonna be really honest with you, I am a NIO shareholder. I didn't get into NIO when it was around $3. I got into NIO when it was like $14, $20. So I still came in at a pretty good price point, but I'm still buying shares. Okay, so me personally, I still do believe NIO will start to continue to trend up, by the end of year 2021. Why? Because I believe NIO will start to produce more vehicles month to month and quarter to quarter. And if they start to deliver more vehicles, that's going to be a huge plus side for a lot of investors, shareholders, and everybody that's actually interested into these NIO vehicles. Okay, NIO vehicles, they do look luxurious, and they are, extravagant as they say. Okay, so NIO does have plenty of room for growth. Tesla is producing 500,000 vehicles a year, and NIO barely scraped 43,000. Okay, so Tesla in a way is 10 times greater than NIO right now. Okay, but as investors, we all like the underdog. We all like to invest in companies that still have room for growth. Now, I'm not saying Tesla does not have room for growth. As we all know, Tesla is a behemoth of a company. They have been making a lot of people money and making a lot of shareholders happy, right? But as investors, we always like to go into companies before they explode. right? And I think NIO right now is at the point where it's about to explode even more and go up even higher. Okay, especially in year 2021 with the Joe Biden presidency, that might even push electric vehicles more than the ex-president. Okay, so I do see a lot of potential for NIO moving forward. That's why my price target for NIO right now, within the 6 months of year 2021, I could easily see this company, guys, around the $80 and $90 mark. Okay, again, I am really bullish on NIO. I am a NIO shareholder, so I try not to be too biased, but I still see a lot of potential for this company. If they could continue to deliver their cars and increase how many deliveries they've had and still continue to reinvest back into the company and renovate their vehicles, I feel like they're going to be in pretty good shape to really start to compete with Tesla. There are a lot of people out there that, you know, prefer NIO cars than Tesla cars. NIO just has to convince a lot more people that NIO vehicles are way better than Teslas. And I feel like within year 2021 and year 2022, when the sedans come out versus NIO and Tesla, there's going to be a whole different conversation and it's going to be more competitive in my opinion. All right, guys, I do hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I did kind of go everything kind of quick. So if you guys do have any questions, please comment down below. I would love to answer any questions you may or may not have. What are your opinions on NIO? I would like to read those comments as well. Please comment down below. I would like to see what you guys think about NIO stock moving forward. And also, what price target did you go into NIO? Are you buying NIO, and why aren't you buying NIO? That would be a cool conversation to have down in the comments as well. If you'd like to be part of our growing community, we are an up and coming channel that I do like and appreciate each and every one of my subscribers and viewers that have actually been watching all these videos. I do appreciate the love and support I've been getting. So if you guys want to be part of the growing community and like the content I've been producing, please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button. All right, guys, please safe out there. Wear your mask. Take care of one another. Peace out. Till next time. Bye.